Hello friends, without wasting time, now we start slave dynasty in Delhi Sultanate. Who established the slave dynasty? Qutbuddin Aibak. In which city was Aibak coronated in 1206 AD? Lahore. What was the capital of Qutbuddin Aibak? Lahore. Qutbuddin Aibak is considered as the founder of Turkish rule in India. He never adopted the title of emperor. He called himself as Malik and Sipa Salar. What title was given to Qutbuddin Aibak for his kindness and generosity? Lak Baksh. What was the title given to Aibak for his proficiency in reading Quran in melodious voice? Quran Khan. Who established the first mosque of India, Quwwatul Islam? Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak started the construction of Qutb Minar in the name of Khwaz Qutbuddin Bakhtiar Kaki. When did Qutbuddin Aibak died? In 1210 while playing horse polo. Who succeeded after the death of Qutbuddin Aibak by displacing his son Aram Shah? Iltutmish. Iltutmish was governor of which place before becoming ruler? Badaयूं. Who is considered as the actual founder of Delhi Sultanate? Iltutmish. Iltutmish became the first emperor to make Delhi as his capital and adopt the title of emperor from Khalifa of Baghdad. Which corps was constituted by Iltutmish of his 40 loyal slaves? Amir Turke Ghani. Caliph of Baghdad conferred upon whom the title of Sultan? Iltutmish. During whose rule did Mongol invader Chengiz Khan invaded northwest boundary of India? Iltutmish. Iltutmish started the Iqta system in India. Iqta is an Arabic word which means land, and the person who took the land was known as Iqtidar. Who was the first and last woman Muslim ruler to sit on throne of Delhi Sultanate in 1236? Razia Sultan. On what post was Yaqut Khan appointed after Razia became Sultan? Amir Akhur. Who was appointed the Sultan after the death of Razia by Bandit? Behram Shah. During the reign of Behram Shah, a post of Nayab-e Mamlat was created. Who was factor ruler? Which ruler appointed Balban on post of Nayab-e Mamlat? Nasruddin Mahmud. Who conferred the title of Ulugh Khan to Balban? Nasruddin Mahmud. Who dissolved the 40 or Chahalgani after becoming the Sultan of Delhi? Balban. Which Delhi Sultan followed the policy of blood and iron against his opponents? Balban. Balban was the first Sultan to propagate the theory of kingship. He called kingship as Niyabat-e-Khudai and king as Zil-e-Ilahi, God's shadow on earth. Which Sultan started the ceremony of Sizda and Pabos in his court? Balban. What was the name of military department set up by Balban? Diwan-e-Arz. Balban reorganized the army of Delhi Sultanate to counter the threat of Mongol through Diwan-e-Arz. Who was the last ruler of slave dynasty? Shamsuddin Kaimur. Balban introduced the Persian festival Nowruz.